Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. Today our topics are rotation and revolution from chapter number 1, the earth in space. Objectives of topics: to learn about the earth movements, learn the differences between the rotation and revolution. Dear students, now today we're gonna meet to our beautiful earth and it will tell you about its movements. Hi, I am Earth. I am non-living thing, but do you know? I can move. Haha, I don't have feet, but I can move. I move on my axis like this. And let me tell you an interesting thing. I move in two ways, rotation and revolution. Oh, wait, don't get confused. My own spinning is called rotation, and it causes day and night. My spinning is very fast. I spin in just 24 hours. My second movement is called revolution. Along my spinning, on my axis, I also move around the sun, who is the boss of our solar system. For this movement, I travel for 365 days to complete my one round around the sun. It causes seasons. But I think you all have still difficulty about the differences between rotation and revolution. So let me tell you a technique. So here is R, E, V, O, L, U, T, I, O, N. Spelling of long: L, O, N, G. Letter L is common in both revolution and long. So with the help of letter L, you can remember long movement of the earth. So L for revolution and L for long. Hope you have learned many things about me. Okay, dear student, let's take the review. Earth is constantly rotating and revolving. Earth's rotation on its axis causes day and night. Earth's tilt and revolution around the sun cause the seasons. Okay, dear students, your today home task is question number 2. Explain the differences between rotation and revolution. Question number 3. How are the seasons caused? Note: draw title page, mention proper chapter name and number on unit notebooks. Guidelines for parents. Number 1. All the main points discussed in the lecture. Number 2. Make sure students listen the lecture carefully. Number 3. Second and third questions discussed in the lecture. Make sure the spellings should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learns the home task on daily basis. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood all the topics very well. Now complete your home task. Thank you.